Michelle here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I plan and organize my life. So these are like some of the things that I like to do to help keep my life organized, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. So some things that I like to have with me almost at all times to help keep my life organized is my planner. I have a Erin Condren academic planner. I know I'm not in school anymore, but I have the academic planner just because I like the way that it's laid out. And then I also use the Staedtler Triplus roller ball pens. They're the 0.4 millimeter size, and it's 10 different colors. These are awesome. And then I also use the midliner highlighters. They're highlighters and they're also like markers. I also use this in my planner. And then I also use specific apps. So I use the iCalendar app on my MacBook, my iPad, and my iPhone. And then I also use the reminders app on all platforms like my laptop, my computer, and my phone. I feel like the thing that I go to most often is my iCalendar, mainly because I always have it on me. Like I always have my phone on me, so I always have my iCalendar with me, or I always have that app with me. On my iCalendar, it's like basically like my main source for all my info and like everything that I need to know is going on in my life. So what's great about the iCalendar is it gives you different layouts and you can add different calendars, and I actually like having different calendars because it helps me know what exactly the event is specifically for. So for birthdays, like a purple color, and then for like appointments and things that are related to me personally, I have it in a pink color. And then I also have a YouTube tab and it's red, and I use that to like time block for filming and editing my videos, which is something that's helped me a lot with filming and editing and uploading my videos more consistently. Also in the iCalendar, I like to add specific like blocked dates. So every month I always have like my credit cards due, so every month I have it like scheduled so that every single month it shows up what day I have each credit card due, and it helps me remember to write it in my planner so that I can write it for the week, and then I remember like, okay, this is what I have to pay this week. It's just a great way for me to plan ahead of time. Like whenever I go to a doctor's appointment and you schedule your next appointment, and I could schedule it on this day in like 3 months, and instead of whipping out my planner, I can just whip out my phone and see what days I have available and then scheduling it then. That way I know for a fact that I can't change this date, or if I have to change it, I can. But yeah, the iCalendar app is honestly super easy to use. So the next app that I use, like I mentioned earlier, is the reminders app. Now for the reminders app, I have like different tabs. So the first tab I have is my shopping list, and I actually share it with my mom and my dad because my dad likes to do the grocery shopping. So whenever I think of something that I need to buy or that he needs to buy for me, I will add it into that list, and that way the day he goes shopping, if I'm not home or if I'm like sleeping, because sometimes he likes to go really early, he can just look at the list and then see like, okay, Michelle needs this, this, and this, and then he'll actually like add his own stuff on there too. He's getting more like iPhone savvy, which is great for him. Love that for him. And then the other tabs that I have are Sunday through Saturday. Basically I have these tabs for when I don't have my planner with me, and on a specific day I want to do a specific thing, and it's not something that I really have to put in my calendar. It's more like a task. Do this specific thing. Like tomorrow I have to make sure to clean my room or to vacuum because someone's coming over or whatever. Then I'll go on my phone, and then I'll go to Tuesday, clean my room because whoever is coming over or whatever, something like that. That way at night when I go into my planner, I could look at my phone and be like, oh, okay, you're right, like I had to do this, so I'll write it down, because I have really bad memory sometimes when it comes to like remembering to do things. Now comes my planner. So I literally just got my planner like a week ago, this weekend actually. Yeah, I just got it this weekend, so I'm still like kind of figuring out exactly how I want to use it, but it's basically like any planner that I've had before. Every month I'll open up my planner, and then I'll also open up my iCalendar and I'll like cross-reference everything. So I'll always write down when my credit card payments are due, and then that's when I'll put down like any appointments. Like for example, I usually take my grandparents to their doctor's appointments, so I'll like ask them like, okay, what appointments do you have this month, so I can write them down. And I'll usually have them already written down in my iCalendar, and then I'll just transfer that into my planner. And then I'll have like other little things, like every single month I have to skip the Fabletics membership thing. So on the 5th I always have it saying skip Fabletics month. And then any birthdays, I don't know of anyone that has any birthdays in like the months right now, so I can't really show you what that would look like, but I usually just highlight it gray obviously. And then of course the pink color I will be using for my video upload dates and my filming days. I just like visually being able to see like what days I'm busy, and then what days when I'm not busy, that's the days that I use to film and edit my videos. So for example, tomorrow, Thursday, I have to take my grandma to a doctor's appointment in the morning. Today I'm filming, so that tomorrow when I come back from taking my grandma to a doctor's appointment, that's when I could edit my video and then hopefully upload it by tomorrow. Now to my weekly spreads. As you can see in the planner, I have like 3 sections. So I have this like smaller blank section that's like the same size as the to-do side, and then there's like a bigger section in the middle. For the right hand side, it's obviously the to-do list, so I'll just write things that I have to do that day. So obviously like tomorrow I have to finish editing the video, and then I wanted to work out today. I didn't work out at 7 a.m. but I worked out, and then I wanted to film, and then I also wanted to fill out the goal setting calendar book thing that I got from Erin Condren. Also on the left hand side, I put specific things for my filming, so like what I have to film for the video that I'm making right now, obviously. So when I have like a bigger to-do task that day, that's when I'll put it over to this left hand column, and then like in detail write exactly what I need to do to accomplish that. And that's honestly going to be more specifically for when I film videos. It's kind of like more things that I have to do in that. And then in the back of every month in the Erin Condren planner, there's like 4 or 5 blank pages. Those pages I use to like further plan out my videos. Sometimes I use it more after I'm done filming, because I usually like write down my video notes and then I film my video, and then once I'm done filming, I like to like see what I have in my computer, and then I'll write down exactly the sequence of things that I want it to be in. And then also in the blank pages, I will write down specific like animations that I'm gonna do for the video. Like I use my iPad to like create little gifs and stuff like that, and then I'll put it in the video. And I like to like write down while I'm editing, I'll write down what I want to do, so that once I'm finished editing like the bulk part of my video, I'll write down, okay, like I want to do like write down this word and these specific things to include in the video after I'm done editing it, so I could do it on my iPad and then include it in the video. So yeah, that is basically it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hopefully this will motivate you to some way become a little bit more organized and help you plan your month, your day, your year, your life. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.